The growing season has come to an end, for most of us anyway. I have a ton of seeds I need to save, so I figured this would be a good time to show you how. It all starts with the harvest. For those of you that are new to this, you'll want to save the seeds from your healthy, mature peppers. The reasoning behind this is a mature pepper means the seeds have had time to mature, which leads to a higher germination rate when planted, and it's supposed to give you a stronger plant. That being said, you can see I'm only pulling my dark red peppers off this ahi crystal plant. And before we go any further, just remember, if you've got your plants in an open area near each other, there's a good chance your peppers could have cross-pollinated, meaning you won't get the same pepper next year using these seeds. Now it's time to remove the seeds. I cut the stems off and cut straight down the middle, which will reveal the entire placenta and the seeds around it. If you're saving seeds in bulk like I am, I recommend cutting all the peppers first, then going back through and removing the seeds. Once your peppers are opened up, the best way I found to remove the seeds is running your thumb through the middle to slide everything out. You may miss a few seeds like I do, but working in bulk, I don't mind missing out on a few. While doing this, I like to drop the seeds onto a dry paper towel, as it's my preferred method to drying the seeds, which leads into the next subject: how to dry and store your seeds. This is the easiest part of the seed saving journey. As I mentioned before, I like to add mine to a paper towel, fold it up, and keep it in a well-ventilated area for a week or so. I'd also recommend labeling what pepper you've got your seeds from, just in case there's any mix-up in the future. After a week's gone by and your seeds are dry, put them in an airtight container, like a Ziploc bag, and store them until next season. And that's all there is to it. Saving your pepper seeds is super easy and will save you money down the road. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe so I can keep making videos like this in the future. Thank you for watching.